channel Schooling at Home. Today I am going to show you class 6 subject science. Today I am going to show you chapter 5 separation of substances. So let's start. Separation means the division of something given into constituents or distinct elements. Example number 1, separation of tea leaf from liquid tea with the help of strainer. Number 2, separation of grains from stalk. Number 3, separation of butter from fat or churning. Number 4, separation of cotton fibers from cotton seed. This process is called killing. Next, table of why do we separate substances. Separation process, purpose for which we do the separation, what do we do with the separated components. Number 1, separated stone from rice are used to remove impurity or harmful components. Next is number 2, churning milk to obtain butter is to separate two different but useful components. We use both the components. Number 3, separated tea leaves are used to remove non-useful components. We throw away the solid component. Next, method of separation. Number 1 method, hand picking. This method is used impurities or stones are picked with the help of hands. This method is used for separation large impurities like pieces of dirt, husk or stone from grains. Number 2, threshing. In this process, stalk are beaten to free grains. It is used to separate grains from stalk. Threshing is done with the help of machine of bullock or machines. Number 3, winnowing. It is a process of separating of heavier and lighter components of a mixture by wind or by blowing air. This process is used to separate husk from grains. Next, sieving. It is a process of separating fine particles from bigger particles using a sieve. Example number 1, removing of impurities from wheat flour. Number 2, removing pebbles from sand. Next, sedimentation. When water is added to any material which is insoluble in water, the water is heavier than the water. The temperature is heavier than the water settles down at the bottom of the container containing the mixture. This process is called sedimentation. Next, decantation. After sedimentation, the water is slowly transferred to another container. This process is called decantation. Examples: oil is separated from the mixture of water and oil from the top layer by decantation. Next, filtration. The process of separating tea leaves from the liquid tea using strainer or filter paper or piece of cloth is called filtration. Example: separation of seeds from the fruit juice. B. Preparing cheese at home. Next is the activity. Aim to separate chalk powder and water from its solution. Materials required: beaker, conical flask, funnel, filter paper, solution of chalk powder and water. Procedure: number 1. Keep the solution for sedimentation. Keep the solution for some time to settle down. Chalk powder, this process is called sedimentation. Number 2. Transfer the upper clear water to another container. This process is called decantation. Number 3. Filter the solution with the help of funnel and filter paper. Observation: by sedimentation and decantation, chalk powder is separated from water. Number 2. By filtration, we get more clear water as compared to sedimentation and decantation. Methods of separation. Number 1. Evaporation. The process of converting water into water vapor, steam or heating is called evaporation. Number 1. Example number 1. Separation of salt from salt solution by evaporation. Number 2. Salt is obtained from sea water by the process of evaporation. Use of more than one method of separation. Number 1. Separation of sand, salt and water from its solution. Number 2. Salt is soluble in water, so it dissolves in water, whereas sand, which is insoluble in water, separated by the process of sedimentation, decantation, filtration. Salt is separated from the water. Salt is solution by evaporation. Condensation. The process of converting of water vapor into water droplets or its liquid form or cooling, it's called condensation. Saturated solution. A solution is prepared by dissolving a substance in a liquid. A solution is said to be saturated if it cannot dissolve more of the substance in it. Next exercise. Question number 1. What is winnowing? Where is it used? Answer: it is a process of separating heavier and lighter components of mixture by wind or by blowing. This process is used to separate husk from grains. Question number 2. What is sieve? Where it is used? Answer: it is a process of separating fine particles from bigger particles using a sieve. Example number 1. Removing of impurities from wheat or flour. Number 2. Removing pebbles from sand. Next, fill in the blanks. Number A. The method of separating seeds of paddy from its stalk is called threshing. Next, number B. When milk cooled after boiling is poured into a piece of cloth, the cream is left behind on it. This process of separating cream from milk is an example of filtration. Number C. Salt is obtained seawater by the process of evaporation. Question number 9. True, false. A. A mixture of milk and water can be separated by filtration. False. Number 2. Separation of sugar from tea can be done with filtration. False. Number 3. Grain and husk can be separated with the process of decantation. False. Okay. Question number 1. Why do we need to separate different components of mixture? Give 2 examples. Answer number 1. Among different components of mixture, there are many substances which are harmful or not useful for us. To remove these harmful components, we need to separate them. For example, number 1. Tea leaves are separated from liquid tea using strainer. Number 2. Stone pieces are separated from rice pulses and grains by hand picking. Number 2. How will you separate husk from or dirt particle from a given sample of pulse before cooking? Answer. The dirt particles that are present in pulse are removed by washing with water. Being heavier, the pulse settles down, while the dirt particles, being lighter, keep floating in water. This process is called sedimentation. The dirt water can be removed by process of decantation, leaving behind the pulses at the bottom. Question number 3. Is it possible to separate sugar mixture with wheat flour? Yeah. If yes, how will you do it? Answer. Yes, it is possible to separate a mixture of sugar and water and wheat flour using a sieve. With the mixture of sugar and wheat flour allowed to pass through a sieve, the fine particles of wheat flour should pass through the sieve and sugar particles would be retained in the sieve. Question number 4. How would you obtain clear water from sample of muddy water? Answer. We obtain clear water from a sample of water by sedimentation, decantation and filtration. The muddy water is called sedimentation. The upper clear water transferred to another container. This process is called decantation. The decanted water is allowed to filter through filter paper or a piece of cloth. This process is called filtration. In this way, we get clear water from a sample of muddy water. Question number 10. Lemonade is prepared by mixing lemon juice and sugar in water. You wish to add ice to cool it. Should you add ice to lemonade before or after dissolving sugar? In which case would be possible to dissolve it more sugar? Answer. We should add ice after dissolving sugar because when the temperature is high, then more sugar can be dissolved. After mixing ice, it gets cool and less sugar will dissolve in it. So here our chapter ends. Thank you for watching this video.